Figma AI tools have been making waves lately, but do they really live up to the hype? Today I'm diving into how these tools can actually enhance your design workflow and whether they're worth your time and money. Figma AI tools are integrated features within the Figma platform designed to streamline design tasks and enhance creativity. They offer functionalities like smart layout suggestions, automated image generation, and even content recommendations based on your design style. The user experience is generally smooth, especially for those already familiar with Figma. What stands out is the collaborative nature of these tools. They're built for teams working together in real time, which is a big plus for designers. However, I noticed that while these features can be incredibly helpful, they sometimes lack the nuance that an experienced designer would expect. For instance, the automated suggestions can feel a bit generic, and it's not always clear how to best utilize them in your specific project context. Overall, the tools seem geared towards both beginners looking to get their feet wet and seasoned designers hoping to save time, but some might find the AI's creativity a bit limiting. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Figma AI tools can significantly speed up repetitive tasks, making the design process more efficient. They also foster collaboration, which is essential in team environments. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The AI suggestions can sometimes miss the mark, leading to designs that don't fully resonate with the intended vision. Additionally, the reliance on AI might not sit well with traditional designers who prefer a hands-on approach. Pricing could also be a concern. While Figma offers a free tier, the more advanced AI features are locked behind a paywall, which might deter casual users. If you're a designer looking for robust, personalized tools, you might want to weigh your options carefully. In conclusion, Figma AI tools can be a valuable asset for those looking to enhance their design workflow, especially in collaborative settings. However, if you're a seasoned designer who values creativity and nuance, you might find these tools lacking. It's worth trying them out to see if they fit your style, but keep your expectations in check.